This is Emoji TV Network Media Operations, is a commercial TV broadcast station authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with license number PSD 0311-2023, Rent Mod 4042 to expire on November 21, 2026. Emoji TV is located 1,726 na Destagong School, Purupuraya. Emoji TV is located 473 called classmates behaviors laughing and quiet. Engineering is headed by Ronaldo A. Hernandez. Emoji TV transmission engineering personnel are duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Professional Electronics Engineer Hernando C. Manugin, PECE No. 00000423. Electronics Engineer Romulo C. Tatero Jr., ECE No. 0033398. First Class RADIOTELEPHONE Operators Romeo T. Dayon 74 hanggang 1 PNCR-11441. Robert A. Espanyo 2K1PHN 24096. Charlie O. Obenita 14 hanggang 1 PNCR-26666. Programs are seen nationwide via Emoji TV and affiliate stations. Emoji Stations Channel 5 Metro Manila, Channel 2 Lawag, Channel 28 Baguio, Channel 32 Bacolod, Channel 21 Cebu, Channel 21 Cagayan de Oro, Channel 2 Davao. Affiliate Stations Channel 28 Olongapo, Channel 39 na Tugigaraw, Channel 24 na Tarlac, Channel 44 na Batangas, Channel 30 Mount Banoy, Channel 34 na San Jose, OCC, Mindoro, Channel 22 Naga, Channel 12 General Santos, Channel 29 na Puerto Princesa, Channel 36 na Iloilo, Channel 41 Talibo, Channel 40 Tacloban, Channel 40 Zamboanga. This is Emoji TV, ng salita ng emoji sa Pilipino. Now signing off.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, kaya sa silang